Maintain a positive attitude. Attitudes are contagious. Make sure that yours is one worth catching. Never can't, never could. Negative never wins. Care for your attitude and feelings in order to stay positive and progressive inside and out.
Is it hard to always have a good attitude?
Yes, but I really do better when I have a great attitude.
What happens if you don't have a good attitude?
You might hurt others.
Why is staying positive important?
You can have a good day and help others have a good day.
Do an extraordinary work. Figure out what ordinary average work looks like and put forth an extra effort to do better and work beyond ordinary. Strive to differentiate yourself, your work, and your team's work through doing work that is extra special, extra valuable, and especially high quality. Going the extra mile is what separates us from the crowd and makes us extraordinary.
How do you go above and beyond in your classroom?
Listening and helping my teachers.
Oh, is that it?
Oh,
Oh, great. Okay, so count.
That was funny.